Welcome back. In our last video, we were discussing about the filter criteria by using the instance ID. Right now, we will be using the index as the filter criteria, and we will use the same commandlet, and that will be where object. Okay, where object is a very powerful commandlet which is used for filtering data, be it event viewer or any data, any data. This is not limited to event viewer only. Okay, so when I will make more videos, I will tell you more about this where object. Okay. So we will be using the same format again. Okay, and we will be filtering the things based on index. Okay, so this index. Suppose I want to get the details of index 27984, and here it is 27984. So let's see what we get. Okay, we are getting this. Now what if you want it in detail? So again you will use the commandlet format list. See, so format list is basically it gives you the detail of each and every entry in the list form, and that this detail is more uh, is more data than you will see normally here. Okay, so this is entry type. Now let us filter the data based on the source type. So we will be using the same criteria, the same format command. Okay, and what will be the change? Let this is the source. Okay, and the source here is, suppose, let the bt HUSB. Okay, sorry, it will be like this. Okay, between the quotes, in double quotes, and we have to remove this thing. Now we can see that whatever logs we will be getting, we will be getting the logs only of BTH USB. See, so whatever log you will be getting right now, the source of that log will be BTH USB. And what is that? It doesn't matter. Or we don't need to worry. Okay. So now what is left? We have message. Okay, let me, okay, wait, don't run. Suppose, okay, we'll be using the same format, but instead of index we'll be using message. Let me copy this. See, okay, again, suppose you're not sure about any what kind of message it is, so you can just use a wildcard here. Taking some time and my video time is limited, so I will discuss this thing in the next video. Okay, till then, wait and have a nice time. Enjoy learning PowerShell and subscribe to my channel.